Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 25 of our magic book session.
Happy morning.
Lovely morning. So, yes, how was yesterday and how was today morning? Anybody wants to share? Yes.
ये करने के बाद तो अच्छी ही रहती है।
हाँ, पर आप कुछ बताएंगे कैसे क्या अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है? आसपास की दुनिया कैसे चेंज हो रही है? कैसे आप में चेंजेस नजर आ रहे हैं? And what magics are you experiencing in your life, in the area of your health, in the area of money, in the area of relationship? कल का असाइनमेंट करके कैसा लगा था जब आपने 3 लोगों के पिक्चर्स लिए थे एंड
अच्छा,
या
काफी कुछ अच्छा लगा था। कैसा लगा था किसी के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, पर उसके आगे क्या है? मतलब उसके बाद क्या? डिड यू रिसीव एनी न्यूज़ जिनके लिए आपने किया था?
नहीं, नहीं ऐसे न्यूज़ तो कोई नहीं मिले हैं।
हाँ,
लेकिन अच्छा, मुझे खुद को अच्छा बहुत फील हुआ।
हाँ, ओके। सो मतलब बहुत अच्छी बात है, अच्छा लग रहा है, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ मैजिक देयर इज ऑलवेज समथिंग बियॉन्ड। उसके आगे भी है कुछ, और एवरी मोमेंट कुछ और हो रहा है। मतलब आप इस अच्छे हैप्पी जोन में हो, आप जॉयफुल जोन में हो, बट इसके आगे क्या? सो यू हैव टू गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दैट एरिया।
ओके।
या आप शायद यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब कि और दूसरा वर्ड बोल सकते हो उसके लिए? एनी अदर? या
चेंजेस तो काफी कुछ लग रहा है।
हाँ,
एक्सप्लेन, क्योंकि कोई अभी ऐसा इंसिडेंट नहीं है कि जैसे मैंने आगे बताया ना, 3-4 वो ऐसा कोई नहीं हुआ है अभी। लेकिन
हाँ,
काफी कुछ चेंजेस तो है ही।
ओके, ओके, बट वो आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे हो?
हाँ, हाँ, पर्टिकुलर कोई ऐसा पॉइंट नहीं आया है कि जो ये सिर्फ ये पॉइंट ही हो गया, ऐसा कुछ।
हम्म, ओके, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग रुशिता जी।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स?
Happy morning.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग। यस, हु वाज दिस?
Hina.
Oh, Hina ji. Okay, so how was your day yesterday?
Beautiful.
Share with us. Would you like to share with us?
हाँ, वो जो 3 लोगों का जो अपने लाइफ में उनके लिए मैंने वो ग्रेटिट्यूड किया, जो आपने बोला था उसका पीक हाथ में लेके।
हाँ,
और
ग्रैटिट्यूड किया मतलब क्या किया था आपने?
मतलब उनके लिए मैंने विजुलाइज किया, उनकी जो भी मुझे पता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए अभी लाइफ से, तो
हम्म,
इसको मैंने विजुलाइज किया और उसका रिजल्ट उसको मिल गए हैं और वो ऐसे हैप्पी है, ऐसा विजुलाइज किया मैंने।
हम्म,
फिर जो और अदर पर्सन के लिए ऐसा हुआ कि मेरे वहाँ वो झाड़ू लगाने वाले जो आते हैं
हम्म,
फ्लैट में, तो उन्होंने 1 वीक पहले बोला था, मेरी एक फ्रेंड डॉक्टर है गायनिक, तो उन्होंने बोला था कि मेरी बहू के लिए ये ऑपरेशन करवाना है भाभी, आप बात कर लेना। फिर मैं इतनी बिजी हो गई थी तो मैंने कॉल नहीं किया। तो फिर कल मुझे अचानक से वो बात याद आ गई तो मैंने कॉल किया। तो मेरी फ्रेंड ने कहा कि वो हाँ यहीं एडमिट हुई आज। मुझे तो नहीं पता था कि वो कल एडमिट होने वाली थी। उन्होंने ऐसे मुझे बोल के रखा था।
हाँ
तो ये सब कोइंसिडेंस हो गया। मुझे भी देख लेना, वो ऐसा करके सब कमाती है तो तू जरा देख लेना उसके लिए।
हाँ
हाँ, तो फिर वो शाम को मुझे मिली थी तो उन्होंने बोले कि भाभी आपने फ़ोन किया था मैडम को। मैं हाँ, तो मैं तो कैसे हुआ है ऑपरेशन तो क्या अच्छा हो गया है और मैडम ने बोला था कि आपका फ़ोन आया था। तो वो खुश हो गई थी। तो उसको थैंक यू वगैरह उसको नहीं, पर मैंने उसके हिसाब से मैंने भी अपने आप से थैंक यू कह दिया कि मुझे इसके लिए उनको, जो मेरी फ्रेंड को और अपने आप को मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड किया। ऐसा है।
लवली। सो आपने जब विजुलाइज किया था, आपने वहां तक किया था कि उनका ऑपरेशन सर्जरी अच्छा हो गया है एंड
हाँ,
पूरा मतलब एंड शी इज कमिंग
वो
एंड
घर पे,
टेलिंग यू
हाँ वो घर पे भी ठीक ठाक पहुंच
आ
गई
गए?
है।
ओके।
हाँ,
ठीक ठाक के बदले में यू यूज अ बेटर वर्ड कि
ग्रेट,
वो, हाँ वो
अच्छे से,
ही
अच्छे
इज
से।
एकदम अच्छे से, उनकी हेल्थ अच्छी है, उनको कुछ और डिटेल में जितना आप जा सकते हो कि इज ए सर्जरी के बाद में जो भी सर्जरी मुझे नहीं मालूम
नहीं
बट
नहीं, वो
सर्जरी
उनके साथ में ही घर पे इधर साफ सफाई करने भी आती है फ्लैट में, तो मैंने वो विजुलाइज किया, वो वापस
वो
अपने काम
वापस आ
शुरू हो गई है।
लवली लवली या
और इतना अच्छा फील हुआ ना कि गॉड ने हमें, हम इसके यूनिवर्स ने हमने इसके लिए सिलेक्ट किया, तो अपने आप प्राउड फील हुआ।
एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आपने अपने आप को भी उसमें डाल लिया, दैट वाज रियली रियली इम्पोर्टेंट विच द चैप्टर टोल्ड अस कि यू विजुलाइज ब्रिंग योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो इन द पिक्चर। वो बहुत अच्छा था।
यस।
वेरी नाइस। लवली। और आपने तीन लोगों के लिए किया था कि और ज्यादा लोगों के लिए किया?
नहीं, कल 3 लोगों के लिए किया था मैंने।
ओके। तो आप आज भी कर सकते हो।
हाँ, वो मैंने अभी सुबह कर लिया एक्सरसाइज में, अभी कर
नाइस।
लिया। हाँ,
लवली।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग हिना जी, अमेजिंग, lovely sharing, and you got the results also. Wow. So who else wants to share before we begin today's chapter, and also who wants to nominate for the reading today? आज हम 6 बजे शुरू करेंगे, 6 a.m. 2 more minutes to begin the chapter. Yes. Okay, I just wanted to understand uh, the rest of you who are on the call. Is everybody able to follow the assignments? सब कोई follow कर पा रहे हैं ना assignments को?
यस।
यस।
And उसके बाद में supposing आपने जो assignment किया है, उसके बाद में आपको जो experience हो रहा है, are you able to identify that? Immediately after the assignment, आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा है? What are you feeling immediately after doing the assignment? Good morning, Maggie ji. Yes, are you there? Did you do yesterday's assignment? When we share now, whatever we have done, first thing is what happens is that हम again वो good feeling zone में चले जाते हैं. So now before we begin the chapter, we are actually back to the good feeling zone. Maybe we woke up in the morning, something happened, some thought came, but वो thought से हम वापस good feeling zone में चले जाते हैं. Second thing is that we supposing there is something whatever we have experienced और या हमने नहीं भी experience किया, अगर हम वो share कर रहे हैं, तो एक्चुअली वी आर मोटिवेटिंग अदर्स एंड वी आर मोटिवेटिंग आवरसेल्व्स आल्सो. हम अपने आप को भी मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं. Okay, I'm not able to. Okay, that's fine. But will you be able to share?
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ, मैंने विजुलाइज कल ये किया था कि my sister is in New Zealand
हाँ जी.
and she went there in February
Hmm.
and her husband and her son were supposed to go there by the end of March.
Hmm.
But उसके बाद ये कोरोना हो गया.
Hmm.
So she is alone there.
Okay.
And till December, New Zealand people are not opening the border.
Okay.
So she is waiting for them. She's happy, but of course she's alone.
Hmm.
And we all wish that they get together as soon as possible. So I visualize all they are enjoying in New Zealand, and especially Prayan, her son, he is 2.5 years old.
Okay.
So I saw both they were playing and calling me that Didi, we are enjoying here.
Hmm.
So first I visualize for her, and secondly I visualize for my uncle. So there is a wedding in our family in
Hmm.
2 days. So of course a father whose daughter is going to marry in 2 days must be having some stress.
Hmm.
So I visualize that her marriage happens all well, and we all I, Hina ji, Namrata Bhabhi, we all are together there, and everything is going well. I visualize for two people only.
Okay. Third person didn't come in your mind.
No.
Okay. So आप आज कर लोगे? याद आ रहा है कोई तीसरा person? You could have done for anybody, na? You could have done for your son. You could have done for your spouse. You could have done for anybody.
Yes. I will surely do it.
Yeah, and you could do so now today when you sit, you know what happens? Why the chapter tells us to do three people or five people or just one people, because there is a reason. There is a
Yes.
psychological reason also. So when we are doing for three people,
Hmm.
if you're talking of this chapter,
Hmm.
the time which we are taking for one person may be approximately 10 minutes 5 minutes or 15 minutes max to max. हमने देखा नहीं होगा पर कई बार 15 मिनट भी लग जाता है जब हम करने लग जाते हैं. So then you are actually doing for a concentrated practice for 45 minutes. अगर 15 मिनट लग रहे हैं तो अगर 10 मिनट लग रहे हैं तो half an hour. So actually it takes you to a higher feeling zone. I mean, a
Yes.
happy feeling zone, the above the line feeling zone. And then whatever you do, whatever you take up, then
Hmm.
throughout the day you are. So, how many of you experience that after doing this assignment, whoever did? So, three people have shared till now. आप लोगों ने किया. So, after the assignment, how did you feel?
We are
जैसे
feeling
हिना
good.
जी ने शेयर किया कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था कि यूनिवर्स हैज चोजन. So you felt happy and joyful, right?
Yes.
Huh. So then, if so, the intensity of happiness and joyfulness increases if we do it together, a concentrated practice for all the three people. Maybe आपको शायद कुछ you were falling short of time, or maybe क्या हुआ था? It didn't come, or you were not having enough time to do it.
I didn't have enough time to visualize.
Okay, okay.
Visualization needs some privacy, some peace,
Yeah,
so that we can go into our feelings.
yeah,
So that was the problem. But I will do it properly once
yeah.
again.
Yeah, and actually, I also remember I mentioned yesterday that could be possible that there is some kind of involvement in the house and we are not able to focus properly. So
Hmm.
we can go out and do it in the open space, and it's all the more better if we can go in a garden or sit in an open space where we are not disturbed by anyone.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thanks a lot for sharing. Who else? Okay, who is going to read the chapter? If nobody has any sharings, if you didn't experience anything, then you need to look within that what is happening. Am I going? Am I doing things or am I not doing things? Because अगर हम assignment नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, so then nothing can be done. The magics will not be seen, and we would not be able to experience anything. Then we'll have that fear of missing out. Uh, so that's what every chapter is telling us. That, and today's chapter will also tell us the same thing. Where Rhonda Bryan is telling us that if you have done the assignments for all the 24 days, then the universe will start communicating with you. Today's chapter is Cue the Magic, Jadui Sanket. You know what? We keep on getting messages from the universe. Unconsciously, the universe communicates with us. Okay, Hina ji? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, Hina ji, you can read. Yeah. So, unconsciously, the universe communicates with us. And if we are aware, I mean, not unconsciously, consciously, like every moment the universe communicates with us. और अगर हम सजग रहेंगे, अगर हम अवेयर रहेंगे, तो हमें वो मैसेजेस हम तक पहुंच सकेगी. And that is what the whole chapter is about. Today's chapter is about. So I'll start sharing. Meantime, anybody else has anything to share? कुछ याद आ गया अभी?
Yes, when I did the assignment, I felt कि I am very powerful, कि I can heal other also by this word only. Thank you.
Okay, and you could visualize everything.
Yes, yes, each and everything very nicely.
Lovely, lovely. And you did for all 3 people?
Yes, 4, 5 people in fact.
Lovely. That's very good. Very good. Nice. And after the
It's very
assignment,
beautiful, I feel very beautiful कि yes, I can do this also.
yes. So now you know the power within,
Yes.
power which is there inside each one of us. And you know how to unleash the power within. You know how to just, share that power with others.
Yes.
Yes. That's amazing. Nice. Nice. Thanks, Chandika, for sharing. Thank you so much. So now let's explore this picture which is there in front of us. Today, we would also see the right side of the picture. So that is, if you can join, the right side is the down portion of the picture, and the rest of the picture we can see very clearly. So yes, what are we seeing in the picture? Look at the right side also. There is one object which is, being seen on the right side of the picture. Yes, so today's chapter is Cue the Magic. And what are we seeing in the picture?
चेयर है, लाइट्स है, फिर वो फिल्म में होता है एक्शन वाला बोर्ड.
हाँ, उसको क्लैपर बोर्ड बोलते हैं.
क्लैपर बोर्ड और रील पर जो राइट हैंड साइड है उसमें रील दिखाई दे रहा है.
हाँ जी, ओके.
Magic movie will be start.
Magic movie will start or has started?
Had started.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
इसका शूटिंग हो रहा है.
लाइट एक्शन, लाइट कैमरा एक्शन.
Yes. एंड वो नीचे राइट हैंड साइड में, फर्स्ट पिक्चर में राइट हैंड साइड में क्या है?
वो अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं तब जो,
हाँ, सॉरी
कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करना हो तब वो हाथ में बड़ा वाला रखते हैं.
हाँ, that's called the megaphone. Yeah. Okay. So the clapper board is there, the director's chair is there, the floodlights, the light is there, and magic dust is there in all these things, and we can see the camera reel. So now how do we join in the dots. ये सब देख लिया हमने. Now how do we join in the dots?
Magic movie has started and we announce for the date.
We announce what?
What did happen?
Yes,
We are going to release the Magic movie to the. It's time to release now. मतलब कि till time the shooting was going on.
Okay.
Focus goes where energy flows.
Trailer, teaser, all are done.
नहीं, यूनिवर्स डायरेक्टर है, प्रोड्यूसर है और हम एक्टर है. और हम अब
shooting has been done.
हाँ.
Okay, universe director है. Sorry,
Focus
what did you
goes
say?
where energy flows.
Sorry, what? Where attention focus goes, where energy flows.
Yes.
Okay. So energy flows wherever attention goes. Yeah. Okay. Hina ji, what did you say? Director भी हम हैं. Universe
हम
director.
एक्टर है. हाँ, वो हमको डायरेक्शन दे रहा है. मतलब हमारी लाइफ से हमको अपीयरिंग मोमेंट बाय मोमेंट हमको लाइफ से अपीयर कर रहे हैं. तो हम उनको एक्शन में रख रहे हैं. मतलब हम एक्टर हुए.
अच्छा. ओके.
हम रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. वो ऐसा है ना कि ये जीवन एक प्ले है और हम सब उसकी कठपुतलियां है. दैट्स इट.
You know, Vanna ji, this is the most interesting part of our session.
Really.
We are the director of the magic in our lives.
Yes. Okay. So, according to some, the director is the universe, and you're saying we are the director. Okay, lovely. Anybody else? So, so life is. Anybody wanted to say anything? Okay. So we can. What I found was that life is like a movie, and we are the people who write. I mean, we only write this script. We are the director. We are the producer. We are the ones. I mean, we are everything. From this book we have understood now that we are the ones who create everything in our lives by our thoughts, by our words, by our actions. So looking at that, we can say that life is a movie, and it's actor bhi aap hai, director bhi aap hai, producer bhi aap hai, and villain bhi aap hai. Everything we are.
Creator and destroyer.
Villain कोई और नहीं आएगा. Villain भी हम ही हैं. So let's
जो लाइफ में हर एक मूवी में हैप्पी एंड होता है, तो ये हमारी लाइफ की मूवी में भी हैप्पी एंड है.
हैप्पी
एंड है. हमारी लाइफ में भी हैप्पी एंड है.
ओके.
हर एक मूवी में हम देखते हैं कि मोस्टली हैप्पी एंड ही होता है. हाँ तो
ओके.
वो हमको ये मूवी में क्या होता है कि वो एक्टर होता है, एक्ट्रेस होता है, वो अपने ड्रीम्स है, वो अपने जो चाहिए वो अचीव कर लेते हैं. तो ऐसे ये भी हमारी एक फिल्म, लाइफ हमारी एक फिल्म ही है. तो हम सब कुछ अपना जो ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाया है उसको अचीव कर लिया है, तो हैप्पी एंड हुआ ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल. एंड विलेन कौन है?
वो तो आपने बता दिया. हम है तो विलन, वो मुझे नहीं, मैं कनेक्ट हो रही. वो हम कैसे विलन हो सकते हैं?
Our negative thoughts.
पर अभी मार्गी, अभी क्या है कि जैसे नेगेटिव थॉट्स हम क्लिक होते हैं ना, तो तुरंत हम उसको कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं पॉजिटिव. नहीं, ये मुझे सोचना ही नहीं है.
ओके. हाँ, पर जब भी you know, whatever comes, अगर आपको सोचना ही नहीं है, that's a very very nice thing, that's really really nice. पर अगर जब आ जाते हैं तो फिर हमें, we know, you know, we can identify and we can shift ourselves. उस जगह से हम अपने आप को उठा के we can lift ourselves, we can pull ourselves, वो पता चल गया है, right? Yeah. Yes. So now let's begin. Let's start reading the chapter and explore more कि क्या बताया है इस chapter में. Cue the magic is like, you know, magical संकेत, like जिंदगी में क्या क्या हमें whatever we are, you know, there in a day we are receiving lots of messages from the universe. Only if we think that life is playfulness and we need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. So जीवन आनंद है और हमें आनंद, you know, करने की जरूरत है ताकि हम अपने चारों ओर के जादू को महसूस कर सके. So yeah, so Hina ji, you can start reading, then we'll go further. Yeah.
Yes. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Fiora Colao, by 1954, writer and therapist.
So B means she was born in 1954 and वो writer और therapist थी. हाँ. So अगर हम जीवन आनंद है, life is playfulness, मतलब कि become like a child, you know, जब हम छोटे थे तो हमें ऐसा ही महसूस होता था और शायद अभी इन 24 days में हमें ये glimpses आ गई है, you know, हम थोड़ा थोड़ा देख रहे हैं या पूरी तरह से देख रहे हैं कि लाइफ इज प्लेफुलनेस. जीवन एक प्लेग्राउंड है, यू नो, यू कैन जस्ट कीप ऑन प्लेइंग और हमें आनंद करने की जरूरत है. वी नीड टू प्ले so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. जादू हमें हमारे चारों तरफ प्रतिपल है. You know, every moment there is magic. Every moment, you know, something wonderful is always on the verge of happening because universe वैसा ही है. And if we can understand that, so, you know, just look, if we are angry, if we are jealous, if we are into criticism, if we are blaming others, if we are irritable, then magic is never going to happen in our life. So जिन लोगों को there are few, I mean, I have been receiving some messages on the personal chat कि I'm not experiencing anything, or some people are experiencing. So you just look into your lives that what is that missing link, you know. तो gratitude का so supposing we are seeing a weighing scale, the one side is the gratitude and one side is all the complaints. If that gratitude ka side is not heavier, you know, even if you make it, जैसे अगर 50-50% है, अगर 51 भी कर दिया ना, then you will start experiencing magic in your life. That is the tipping point of the scale. So this right side is the gratitude assuming, and the left side आपके लिए उल्टा भी हो सकता है, but one side is gratitude, the other side is complaints or blame or criticism or anger or jealousy, you know, anything which is taking us below the line. So if that becomes, the right side becomes even 1% higher, then we understand that yes, we are playing in our lives. In this movie of our lives, we are playing. And so beautiful ना, we need to play. वो यूनिवर्स का, वो हमारी लाइफ का एसेंस ही वो है कि we play, we take life as a play, not take it so seriously. So anything happens, be in the acceptance mode. And you know, now we know that be grateful. So how we come into the acceptance mode is being grateful, कृतज्ञता, शुक्राना करते रहे. Whatever situation we are in, be in that space only. Yes, please continue. Hina ji, you can.
Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practice because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth you your dreams, so it play its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It use the people, uh,
Circumstances.
circumstances and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this.
Yes. So now, uh, today's practice is also one of my favorite practices, and it's really fun. You know, agar aap, if you are alert and aware, you can really play the game with the universe. So imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and it wants you to have everything you want in life. Of course, that is the truth, right? And it वो ऐसे आपके सामने अपेयर नहीं हो सकता है, तो कुछ साइंस भेजता है यूनिवर्स. It gives us some signs. So let's take an example. There are two kids who are born in the same house, two children born in the same house with the same set of parents. Parents भी same हैं और same environment में they are growing. Now you will notice, आप अपनी अपनी life में just see, you know, even if you have two kids or you had siblings or you know anybody around you, you just take that concrete example in your life. तो दो बच्चे हैं, एक ही घर में पैदा हुए हैं, एक ही सेट ऑफ पेरेंट्स हैं और एक ही सिचुएशन एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो कर रहे हैं. Now, one child will always be, you know, crying, cribbing, blaming, mama, आप ये नहीं देते हो मुझे, ये नहीं देते हो पापा, आप मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करते हो. You know, no matter whatever you do for the child will always be cribbing. And the second child will always be so happy and joyful. मतलब अगर छोटी सी एक चॉकलेट भी दे दिया ना, the child will start jumping with joy, you know. And then थोड़ा सा भी कुछ दे दिया तो the child will be really happy. Even if you take the child out for just a small time, the child will be really happy, whereas the other child will keep on cribbing. So tell me one thing, किस बच्चे के लिए आपको कुछ करने की इच्छा होगी? The first one who's cribbing and complaining, or the second child who is always happy and is grateful and thankful and joyful and happy and dancing with joy every time? Which kid would you like?
Second one.
Second one, obviously ना. So this, we are kids of the universe. हम यूनिवर्स के बच्चे हैं, तो यूनिवर्स को किसके लिए ज्यादा करने की इच्छा होगी? The second one, na, if we are in that zone of gratitude, which whatever circumstance we are in, वो जो भी situation हमें हमारे तरफ चारों तरफ, and whatever we are getting, whatever we are, you know, receiving, we are at the receiving end. So the universe will give us, and how does it give us? It will give us more and more. Whoever has gratitude will be given more and more in abundance of everything. Whoever does not have, whatever he or she has will be taken away from him or her. Remember those lines which the book has been repeatedly saying from the beginning. So and what it uses the law of attraction. To speed up the law of attraction, we need to be what? We need to follow what? To be more and more grateful. The universe ka jo, you know, that the language which the universe uses is the law of attraction. So now we will read as we go through the chapter कि universe कैसे हमको signs भेजता है every day. Beautiful to understand all these signs जिसको हमने कभी notice ही नहीं किया है. And even if we have noticed in उसको या तो हम fearful state में चले गए या हम complaining mode में चले गए, पर उस same क्यू से, उस same संकेत से अब हमें कुछ नया सीखने को मिल रहा है कि the next para will tell us that if you hear an ambulance siren, तो हम घबरा जाते हैं कि अरे क्या हुआ, किसको, कौन जा रहा है, आवाज से ही कुछ अपने अंदर कुछ fear आने लग जाता है. So the book tells us something else. What would what would you think and feel when you hear an ambulance siren? Let's read it further. Let's continue reading.
If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weights, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple medley in a love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive homes, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors.
Yes, so now we know, and we try to understand uh, all the magic cues, all the possible magic cues which the author has experienced, and maybe she has also taken the magic cues from all the people who had helped her when she was writing the book. So nowadays we hear so much, so many sounds of the ambulance. Yes, no? At least in Mumbai, it's there, like,
Yes.
in the
Yes.
morning, especially towards the
Yes.
evening and night, we hear so much. And then we get, so how many of us think, we get into that fearful state?
नहीं, उसी उसी टाइम प्रे कर लेते हैं कि जो भी अंदर है वो स्वस्थ रहे, ऐसे.
Lovely.
हाँ,
हाँ.
हमारे जो
So,
नवकार मंत्र है वो गुनगुना मीन्स के याद कर लेती हूँ. और उसके लिए, क्योंकि ये कोरोना मेरा घर है ना, वो बिल्कुल 4 रास्ते पे है मेरी बिल्डिंग. और
हाँ.
नजदीक में हॉस्पिटल है, तो इतनी एम्बुलेंस मैंने सुनी है ने.
हाँ.
उसी टाइम से ये इसके मतलब कि जो भी है वो अच्छे हो रहे हैं.
Lovely. Lovely. So, you are already doing it. Yeah. Who else gets into that fearful state? Maybe you remembered somebody, आपके कोई relative, कोई अगर hospitalized है, या फिर somebody is is tested COVID positive, or you yourself have gone through it. Yes, no, anybody else?
Yes.
Yeah. So
काफी टाइम करते हैं ऐसा कि बीच जाते हुए रास्ते में भी देखते रहे, ऐसा फील होता है कि नहीं, जो भी हो अच्छा हो उसका जो भी,
yes, okay.
और सेफ.
Perfect. Yeah, so now the magic cue, it's a संकेत. अब हमें ये जादुई संकेत मिल रहा है यूनिवर्स से. अब हमें ऐसा सोचना है. Of course, what we are praying is very good. You can carry on doing that. But it is a cue from the universe, the book is telling us, is to be grateful for perfect health. Perfect health of the other person and perfect health of yourself also. So now we'll add this one more thing, that you are grateful for the perfect health of yourself and the people around you. Yeah, because we are the light workers, remember. Okay, and if you see a police car, your magic cue will be grateful for the safety and security. The police force is there to safeguard us from any accidents when we are on the road, and for security. Just imagine if there would be no police, how would life be? So just be grateful for that. Now if you see someone reading a newspaper, it's fine ना, हम तो कुछ देख के भी अनदेखा कर देते हैं कि कोई पढ़ रहा है तो पढ़ रहा है, इसमें क्या हुआ. But it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news which is going to come on your way. So beautiful na. So all these examples are, what are they doing? It's just lifting us in the good feeling zone. Even if something good is not there in front of our eyes, but when we change our thoughts and our words and our feelings, we are actually moving in the good feeling zone. And जो भी examples दिए हुए ऐसे examples continuously it comes during our day. Yes, no? And of course, many other examples will come. So once we are aware of this, then we will be able to see a lot of examples and connect with those things which is happening in our life. Now, for many of us, this is there na, that we want to change the weight of our body. And every time we go on the weighing scale, or maybe, see somebody who is very slim, trim, attractive, beautiful, and then we start thinking, oh, I would also like to be like that. Or maybe we feel how that person is looking so beautiful. Yes, no, anybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So now what we can do is that see another person, when you see with your perfect weight, when you see a beautiful figure person, a good slim figure person, and you also want to be like that, then it's a magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. So what is happening? You are getting into that mode of acceptance. You're accepting your perfect weight, and you'll start that, that thing which you are feeling bad about yourself, you'll start feeling good about yourself. If you want a romantic partner, for those of us who are married, it's fine. Those of us who want to attract a romantic partner in our life, then if you see a couple, supposing you've gone to a beach side and you're seeing a couple, or you've gone anywhere and you're seeing a couple, you've gone for a holiday and you're seeing a couple who's very, a loving couple. You can see they're holding hands and walking together, and they are hugging each other. So if you see a couple like that who is madly in love, then that's a magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. So somebody who wants to attract a perfect partner in their lives, they can do this. Okay. So if you, and anybody, I don't know if anybody is on the call like that, if anybody wants to find a perfect partner for their daughter or their son, they could, guide their kids to do that. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, some of us who have been trying since many years to have, have a perfect family with either 2 kids or 1 kid, whatever you have in your mind, maybe 3 kids. So when you see babies and children, so what happens is, so you have to check yourself whenever you're seeing babies. If you have been trying since a long time and you're not getting, kids, you've not been able to conceive, then whenever you see babies and children, the thought comes, a thought of void, एक खालीपन महसूस होता है, maybe खुद के इमोशंस के कारण नहीं, पर दूसरे लोग बोलते हैं उसके कारण भी. So then when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for the children. You feel that. So basically feeling the happiness in the happiness of others, feeling the joy in the joy of others, feeling the contentment and peace in the peace and contentment of others. Because we all are connected. Energetically, we all are connected. And this whole book is about the energy world. The world of magic is based on our feelings, and it's always connected. It comes up in the energy world. This is really beautiful. When you pass by a bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for all the money you have with you, for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it is your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. When it comes to neighbors, I'm remembering what happened. I think it was about 8 to 9 days back. So it was a thing which happened with me. So uh, my husband was leaving for office in the morning, and I generally, when he's standing in front of the lift, I generally go and see him and tell him goodbye, and then I shut the door. So that day he actually went out, and then suddenly I remembered that he's gone out and I didn't wish him goodbye. So I just opened the door, and I also say that khushi khushi jao and khushi khushi aao. I just say that to him. So I said that, and then suddenly my neighbor's door opened, and my neighbor was carrying a packet of, he was carrying a packet which was, it was a small packet, but it was just wrapped in a newspaper. And I don't know, I couldn't, nothing could be seen what is there inside, but the feeling was that, and he was, so we are on the seventh floor, and a part of the family stays on the sixth floor also. So he was just walking down the floor, and he was going to that to meet his brothers, and he was carrying that packet. So the feeling was, the cue which I got from the universe was that he is. So I remembered, when we used to carry money or give money to someone, we used to wrap it in a newspaper like that. It was not being seen that it's money, but I had that feeling that he's wrapped the money and he's going down, and there's a marriage in the house. So I thought, so all this story is going on in the mind. And then I tell my husband that it's a cue from the universe. These were my lines that we have received. We have just received. It's a cue from the universe that today some money will come to us. And you won't believe, in the evening when he came, so that day he didn't tell me anything. Generally, when he receives some money, he calls me, and it was a big amount of money. So he would love to share with me. So that day he didn't say anything, but in the next morning, he just came and gave to me that amount of money which he got. And I knew that that money is going to come because the cue was there from the universe. And if you are aware and alert, you can, and I identified also that cue. So this is how, you have to play this game of magic with the universe. You will receive if you are open, if you are aware, if you're open to receive, you will receive a lot of things like this, and it will be so playful, so beautiful. Also, there was one more cue which I remember. So Hinaji, do you remember you had mentioned the book Ikigai?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
3-4 दिन पहले ही I had, so whenever I remember something during the day कि मुझे क्लास में क्या बोलना है, या आज इस चैप्टर से कनेक्टेड क्या है, या आज जो चैप्टर किया उसके बारे में क्या हुआ, I make notes in my book so that it becomes, I go more deeper into that. So I had just picked up a random booklet जहाँ मैं बुक्स रखती हूँ, तो उसमें जब मैंने लिख लिया, और उस समय कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग when I started writing things, 10 things I am grateful for, वो बुकलेट सामने दिखी, मैंने उस बुक को ऐसे ही खोला तो फर्स्ट पेज में there were notes which I had made when I had read the book Ikigai. तो मुझे वो सारे नोट्स सामने आए, एंड आई केप्ट ऑन फ्लिपिंग द पेजेस. हर चैप्टर के पीछे उसमें भी कुछ लिखा होता है ना, there's some assignment and there's a quote which, if you remember, somebody who's read the book Ikigai, तो वो मैंने सारे अपने एक बुकलेट में, मैं हर एक चैप्टर का डेट वाइज आई वाज मेकिंग नोट्स. So that started coming, and then after 3 days, Hina ji mentioned about this book. So then that day I connected that there is a cue from the universe which I have. And Hina ji, if you remember, I had messaged you also.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
time I have got a cue from the universe of this book. So like that, you have to join the dots. So it was a cue from the universe for me to either to read the book Ikigai, or maybe next time when I think of the next book which I can think of doing the reading could be this book. Something which the universe is trying to tell me, definitely, because it's not a coincidence कि एक ही within a span of 3 days I'm getting a message from the universe for this book which I had read 2 years back. तो मैंने उसमें मैं हमेशा डेट लिखती हूँ, तो वो डेट 2 साल पहले की थी, तो जो मैंने नोट्स बनाए थे. सो this is how we receive, the universe gives us cues. And also, how many of us have noticed that before हमारे लाइफ में कुछ ब्रेकडाउन आए, उसके पहले ही सॉल्यूशंस अपीयर होने लग जाते हैं? यस, नो, एनीबडी? ओके, so if you are now, अगर हम अभी if we are aware, then you will notice that the universe is so kind, God is so kind, that अगर कोई ब्रेकडाउन आने वाली है आपकी लाइफ में, तो उसके पहले ही, मे बी उसके मंथ्स पहले, मे बी उसके वीक्स पहले, दैट सोल्यूशन विल स्टार्ट रैंडमली आपके पास. वो चीज आपकी लाइफ में आ जाएगी, या फिर आपको कुछ करने लग जाओगे, या that changes you will already make, and then you will understand that after few days कि ये change क्यों आया मेरी लाइफ में, if you can connect. So this also is a cue from the universe of making you stronger, preparing you for what a breakdown is going to come in your life. Okay, we can continue.
If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you are being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magical cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think a cue is for, you are right. The universe use the law of attraction of magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment.
Amazing, na? This is so beautiful. That how the universe is so kind, and how this book is so kind for guiding us into this, that the universe operates on the law of attraction. We all know that. We saw in the Secret movie also that the universe is always operating through the law of attraction. Whatever you give, it comes back to you. So now the book is telling us to be aware of universe की जो एक हरकतें हैं, whatever the universe, whatever is happening around us, whatever is the situation, whatever is, whatever our eyes can see, whatever our ears can hear, whatever we can sense, जो भी हमारे चारों तरफ every moment हो रहा है, वो जो भी हो रहा है उसमें दो सिचुएशन आ सकते हैं. एक तो या तो we get into the complaining mode, we get into the criticism mode, we get into the blaming mode, or we take out the best we can from that mode. दो तरीके से हम एक पिक्चर को देख सकते हैं. There are some people who are, that in between mode. They would say मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है कि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है या बुरा लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा है. So these are the people who need to identify for themselves कि there are always two sides of a coin. In this life there is only duality. Either there is hot and cold, good or bad, happy and sad, that in between state is very, very dangerous. So there are some people, unse agar aap kuch puchoge ki, what are you feeling in this? They will say, I don't know. If you tell them, what time are you going to come back home? I don't know. How much time will you take in this work? I don't know. What time will you wake up in the morning? I don't know. Yes, no, have you met anybody like this?
Yes.
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 And these are the people who really don't know what is the vision in life. And they don't know how the day will begin, what will they do, how the day will end. They don't know. I mean, if you have a vision and then you flow with the flow, it's fine. अगर आपने कुछ गोल बना लिया है, कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बना लिया है, उसके बाद में if you flow with the flow, it's fine. But you don't have a structure in front of you. You don't know what is, you don't know what is the script of your life. You don't know how you're going to direct your life. You don't know how you're going to act in your life. Then what will be the movie? Movie to bani nahi payegi na. We won't have any movie. And the movie will not be able to end only. Even if you start, वो movie का end कभी हो ही नहीं पाएगा. So you need to identify for yourself. The universe, in this chapter we are learning that any situation you are, anything you are seeing around you, how to use that as a magical cue. एक जादुई संकेत है वो आपके लिए. And so beautiful na, that agar matlab there are so many things what this chapter we have read कि अगर आपने ये चीज देखी तो there is a great possibility कि आप तो कंप्लेनिंग मोड में जाओगे, ये आप तो रिग्रेट मोड में, आप तो क्रिटिसिज्म मोड में, आप तो ब्लेमिंग मोड में, इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यू विल गो. पर उसमें से भी आप कैसे निकल सकते हो, वो तरीका ये चैप्टर हमें सिखा रही है. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Q, the magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live, and for another beautiful day. If an appliance break down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says that I have to go to an ATM, or I see people in line at ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mind. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I does my
When I
curtain,
close my curtains at night.
and when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had.
So beautiful, na? That even when you open the curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. कभी दिमाग में हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते ऐसा. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. So, so beautiful. And so this para is telling us that don't miss the opportunity of being grateful for whatever your actions are, whatever your movements are, whatever, however your thoughts are, whatever sounds you are hearing, whatever somebody is speaking to you, somebody spoke to you in a harsh manner, so be grateful. So tell me, anybody can tell me, somebody, किसी ने आपको कुछ बोल दिया जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, so how would you be grateful for that? Anybody wants to write on the chat or unmute yourself? Yes, whatever. See, remember na, you are the cue. I mean, you will never be wrong on this. जो भी आपने सोचा है वो that will be the right thing. कुछ भी आप सोच सकते हो.
वो उनका काम था, मुझे मेरा काम करना है.
Okay. Yes, this is very good way. And be grateful. Be grateful for that person to make you realize कि आपको अपना काम करना है. So be thankful to that person कि उन्होंने आपको ये रास्ता दिखा दिया कि आपको अपना काम करना है. Yes, does it make sense, Seena ji?
Yes.
Who else? Anybody else? Okay, what is our first thought if somebody tells us, improper words और कुछ अच्छा words नहीं बोल रहे हैं और आपकी गलती नहीं है तो भी आप में गलती निकाल रहे हैं, तो पहली फीलिंग क्या होती है? What is the first? ये अपने, why I took this example is it keeps on happening during our day, na? Several times. Yes, no?
Yes.
So yeah, so how do you, what is the cue that the universe is giving us in this also? वो जादुई संकेत क्या है?
इससे हमें कुछ सीखने को मिला.
हाँ, what क्या सीखने को मिला? That you have to identify for yourself. So just give a reason कि क्या सीखने को मिला?
कुछ भी अच्छा, मतलब कि नहीं करना चाहिए, करना चाहिए.
No, you being little vague. आप एक concrete कुछ बोलिए अपने आप को. क्या सीखने को मिला? You were right कि इससे हमें कुछ सीखने को मिला. तो क्या सीखने को मिला जब उस इंसान ने मुझे कुछ
मुझे किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. जो मुझे बोलते तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो मुझे भी वो किसी के साथ नहीं करना चाहिए.
Lovely. Yeah. So this is one cue which you got from the universe, that if वो person अगर मुझे ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं, that person is talking to me like this, then if I talk to the other person or somebody else like this, that person also feels the same way. So I will not do now. I will behave properly with the other person. This is the magic cue you're getting from the universe. Jadui Sanket. Anybody else wants to say anything? Yes, I'm grateful that they told for my good sake. Okay. So what is, now you go deeper. Good sake मतलब ये तो एक superficial way हो गया. Now for what good that is bringing in your life, you identify that also. Like how the last line of this para, that it's the height of anything, that when you open my curtains in the morning, I see the new day, and it's cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. So you've already planted a seed for the great day ahead. So like that, just find out things for yourself. And when I close my curtains, I've already planted a seed for the great day that I had. मतलब जो मैंने seed डाला था वो मुझे मिल गया और मैंने और further डाल दिया, because since I am grateful, I have come into the good feeling zone, and the next day will also be very good. So this is a cycle which keeps on moving. Okay. So yes, anybody else wants to say anything, that if somebody is not talking to you properly, not spoken to you properly, could be your spouse, could be, somebody who loves us more now, if that person tells us in an improper way or tells us something which doesn't feel good to the ears, that time we feel more hurt. Yes, no?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
if you've done a lot for that person and that person comes and tells you, that time you feel more hurt. Now, what is the magical cue from the universe? अब हमें अपने आप को पूछना है. Each one of us will have some different cues. And remember, whatever cue you are getting, don't ask anybody else कि इसमें क्या cue हो सकता है. The cue which you will discover for yourself will be the truth for yourself will be the biggest cue which you are getting from the universe. Because in the first place, the universe is communicating with you, nobody else. Whatever is happening in front of your very eyes, every single moment, whatever you're experiencing is the message that you are getting from the universe, not anybody else. Okay, so like that, अब अपनी लाइफ में आज दिन भर you can keep on discovering things for yourself कि अगर ये चीज हुई है अभी इस मोमेंट में, if I'm experiencing this, whether I'm feeling good or I'm not feeling good, what is the universe trying to tell me in this situation?
हाँ, अभी मेरे माइंड में ये आया कि कभी कभार लोग क्या डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो जाता है, तो कई बार मेरे हस्बैंड मेरे पे गुस्से हो जाते हैं, तो उसके बाद के 2 दिन मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ी रूठ जाती हूँ तो वो मनाने के लिए डिनर पे ले जाते हैं, और वो तो वो तो भाई कई बार तो वो बोलते हैं कि अपनी ये तू आदत मत डाल देना, बार बार रूठ जाना, मुझे महंगा पड़ता है.
Okay, so then what is the cue for you in this, that keep on getting मतलब रूठ जाना बार बार, or what is the cue you are getting now? Now it's a different way of looking at it. तो अभी आपको क्या क्यू मिल रहा है?
हाँ, अभी नहीं, वैसे ही अब तो मिल जाता है, उनको पता चल जाता है कि अभी ये रूठने वाली है, तो वो पहले ही मुझे इम्प्रेस कर देते.
So now अब हिना जी just think about it, ऐसा सिचुएशन जब आए ना
आएगा. हाँ.
So then you see कि अब आप दूसरे वे में कैसे क्या सोच सकते हो, you know, अगर डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हुआ तो what are you learning from that difference of opinion?
उसको सॉर्ट आउट करने की ट्राई करूंगी कि मे बी कहीं पे मैं भी रॉन्ग हो सकती हूँ, तो उसमें उस पर मैं सोचूंगी और इमीडिएटली उसको जो भी मेरे से या गलती हुई हो तो उसको रिमूव कर दूंगी, मतलब.
And how will you be grateful thankful कैसे होगे इस सिचुएशन में, वो कैसे आप फीलिंग लाओगे?
हाँ, कि उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया कि नहीं, यहीं पे तू रॉन्ग थी.
Yes, so be grateful for whatever जो भी आपको आ रहा है, that do say that to yourself. Okay, yes, you can continue reading.
Yes. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more. And if you want, you can every try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can.
So if you can choose to do more, and if you want, you can even try to respond, not every, but even try to respond.
Even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you.
Yeah, so we'll just pause here. To play the magic cue, play cue the magic today, all you have to do is to be alert. हमें चौकस रहना है कि कुछ हो सकता है और ज्यादा आएंगे. अगर हमने 24 डेज से ये कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस की है, जो भी बुक ने हमें बताया है, अगर हमने की है, तो नाउ वी आर इन दैट, वी हैव ऑलरेडी रीच दैट स्टेट वेयर द यूनिवर्स इज, we are ready to be in that state where we are understanding what the universe is giving us, cues, whatever cues the universe is giving us, and give thanks for each one of them. So perfect weight is one. Supposing somebody, so let's understand what happens. So अगर किसी के बाल बहुत झड़ रहे हैं, हाँ, या बाल बहुत कम है, तो what will we keep on saying? One way is that बाल बहुत झड़ रहे हैं, क्या करूं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, हो सकता है मैं एक दिन तो गंजी हो जाऊंगी. सो यू ऑल आर विजुअलाइजिंग, हम ऐसे विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं, और एक्चुअली व्हाट वी आर गिविंग इन द यूनिवर्स, सो आपको वही मिलेगा ना. सो इंस्टेड व्हाट यू कैन बी थैंकफुल, जो बाल बचे हैं उनके लिए यू बी थैंकफुल. सो एंड यू विजुअलाइज कि दूसरे बाल भी ग्रो हो रहे हैं. So then this is, so what is the cue that you're getting from the universe? अगर किसी ने बोला कि उनके बाल झड़ रहे हैं, the cue is that whatever hair I have, I am thankful for that. जो मुझे बाल बचे हैं, I am thankful for that. Or if you see someone with properly, proper growth of hair, long hair, healthy hair, बिल्कुल black hair है, shine कर रहे हैं, so be grateful for that person. So it's a, supposing somebody comes in front of you, या जिस दिन आपने ये कंप्लेन की, उस दिन आपको सब लोग ऐसे ही दिखेंगे जिनके बाल अच्छे हो, could be possible. So the universe is conspiring against us every single moment. The universe is making things move around us in that way. So in that state, agar aapne ye remember kar liya ki I'm so thankful for this person's, the health of this person, healthy hair, long hair, beautiful hair, and be happy for that person's hair, instead of thinking ki I don't have such hair, I don't have this perfect weight. So now we are, so just understand the cue which you are getting from the universe. Yeah. So the last line, can you read, Hina ji? One of the many benefits. Can you start from the last line of this page?
One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you for more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So universe cue the magic.
So beautiful. And now you're requesting the universe. Universe, मुझे जादुई संकेत दो, so that I can understand what you are trying to tell me. I can play this game with you, this game of life which I have chosen for myself. You remember, shayad on day 0 we had spoken about it, ki when we are not in this mind body form, we only choose what kind of life we are going to live. ये choice हम पहले ही कर लेते हैं, before we actually come and we are born on this earth. In the soul form, in the spirit form, we only have created our own life stories. But dhire dhire, as a child grows, the child forgets about it. So now what we started with this chapter, that we are the director of our life.
वंदना जी, आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Okay. Now?
Yeah. Perfect.
So we are the director of our lives. We are the producer of our lives. हम ही डायरेक्टर है, हम ही प्रोड्यूसर है, हम ही एक्टर है. और अगर कुछ नहीं अच्छा हो रहा है लाइफ में, तो वो भी हमने ही लिखी है. बट अभी हम कैसे उसको बराबर कर सकते हैं? बाय मेकिंग जो हमारा ग्रैटिट्यूड का जो घड़ा है, that pot of gratitude, if we can increase that, we can actually change our destiny, right? right? Yes, no?
Yes.
So the more and more we are grateful, and this book is, this book has taken us so beautifully step by step. मतलब पहले हेल्थ का एरिया को किया, फिर रिलेशनशिप किया, फिर मनी किया, फिर वापस रिलेशनशिप के वापस आए, फिर मनी के भी वापस आए, एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज, इतने अच्छे से एक एक स्टेप, एंड now it's telling us why this chapter didn't come to us on the 4th day or 5th day, because now हमें समझ में आ गया है कि यूनिवर्स क्या है, and what are we, where is our place in this universe, and इस यूनिवर्स में के पार्ट होने के पहले what did, मतलब before we came into this mind body form, उसके पहले हमने क्या सोचा था और क्या सोच के we came into this mind body form, and वो पूरी सारी चीजें जो डिजाइन की है वो हमने ही की है. Each one of us have done for ourselves. And so अगर हमने ही किया है, हमने ही सब कुछ किया है, तो why are we blaming? Why are we criticizing? Why are we complaining? Why are we getting angry? Why are we having that regret and resentment? क्यों? So whatever it is, now let's, whatever we have done and whatever people are doing to us, let us be grateful for every single moment, every single action, every single situation. So universe, now the universe, we are saying, okay, now I am really ready to understand the cues जो आप संकेत देना चाह रहे हो, whether it's God, whether it's universe, you are telling to the universe, you're telling to the God, now I'm ready. Now I'm all ready to understand your language, your words, your actions. Because हमारी frequency ऐसी हो गई है कि now we are matching the frequency of the universe. We have increased our frequency. हमने अपनी frequency को इतने ऊपर हम ले आए हैं, और हमें ये भी मालूम है कि जब फ्रीक्वेंसी नीचे चली जाती है तो उसे ऊपर कैसे लाना. टू बी ग्रेटफुल एवरी मोमेंट. शुक्राना देना है. सुबह हम शुरू करते हैं शुक्राना देते हुए, रात को सोते हैं शुक्राना देते हुए, दिन भर में भी वी कीप ऑन सेइंग थैंक यू. यस. सो
Yes.
so now we know we are ready to play this game with the universe. Everybody, yes, no?
Yes.
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 So today we are going to find 7 cues from the universe. And if we have practiced all these 24 days, every single day, then definitely we will be able to find more than 7 cues. So be ready for it. Yes, magic practice number 25.
Magic practice number 25. Cue the magic. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Second, today be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." Just before you do to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Yeah. So thank you, Hina ji, for reading the chapter for us so beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So yes, so we are done with today's chapter. We have to find 7 magical cues for ourselves, जादुई संकेत जो हमें यूनिवर्स से मिल रहे हैं, and and we know what to say. Thank you for whatever. So अगर किसी को आपने देखा perfect weight है और आप यही weight में आना चाहते हो, you want this perfect figure for yourself, then just say. Instead, you know what happens, we get into that feeling ki, oh, why I'm not like this, I also want like this. Thoda sa ek envy, jealousy, it comes na. So just change that thought, and before you enter deep into that thought and attract such more situations in your life, what you have to say is, thank you for my perfect weight. Or even, you know, if you're not seeing anybody, you're standing on the weighing scale and you see that you know, you have put on more weight instead of reducing. Happens with many of us na, we are on the process of हम बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, हम अपना weight reduce करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but when every week or every 15 days, when each time we go on the weighing scale, we feel that थोड़ा सा weight कम होने की बजाय और ज्यादा हो गया है. So that time, ask yourself what is happening. So that time, if you can say that thank you for my perfect weight of whatever weight you want to be, so that आप उस वापस उसके अंदर ज्यादा नहीं जाओगे. You will be able to pull yourself out from there and feel it. The more and more we feel it, the more and more we can pull ourselves out of that situation. So like this, now 7 magical cues. अगर हो सकता है कि शायद आपको याद नहीं रहे, तो if you want, you can write it down also, कि आपको एक क्यू मिला, आपने लिख लिया, फिर then second cue, and maybe, you know, हो सकता है सुबह से आपको कुछ cues मिल भी गए हो, because today's chapter is this. So the universe starts communicating before only at times. मतलब कुछ life में आने वाला हो, उसके चाहे वो अच्छा हो चाहे बुरा हो, वो हमें communication उसका पहले से ही शुरू हो जाता है, and it's communicating to us every single moment from the time we were born. As we were kids, we, you know, we get signals from the universe, we get signs from the universe. And the kids, especially the kids, you know, they really can communicate so beautifully with the universe. So now let's all become like kids. We all have an inner child. In each one of us we have an inner child. हमारे अंदर एक you know, एक बच्चा है already. Remember that song, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी. I don't know, I'm remembering those lines. So it is true. Our heart is always like a child. Our hearts are always like a small baby, a small child. वो हम उसे, वो हमारी, you know, because of whatever our way of thinking is, however our way of saying is, however our way of experiencing is, we create coverings around our heart. वो बच्चे को हम अंदर ही, you know, बच्चा अंदर है, now उसको जगाना है. Yeah, so once we start playing this every moment of our life, every day of our life in a playful way, then see what unfolds in front of us. Yes, anybody has any? Oh, got cues already. Wow, lovely. Ma, would you like to share?
Yes, of course. I see you and I said, I thank you for my perfect weight and my perfect skin.
Oh, that's so nice. So like this, and you will actually get cues. You will actually get cues every moment. So tomorrow I am expecting that all of us will be having lots and lots of sharings. शायद जल्दी लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा कल, राइट? क्योंकि बहुत सारी शेयरिंग्स होने वाली है कल.
वन्ना जी कल अटेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि घर पे शादी है ना कल या कल और परसों.
ओके,
तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग वहीं पे जाना है.
अच्छा, तो कोई बात नहीं, आप अटेंड नहीं कर पाओगे तो, बट प्लीज लिसन टू द रिकॉर्डिंग. रिकॉर्डिंग्स जरूर सुन लीजिएगा, बिकॉज now the chapters are really you know very powerful. तो आप कल भी और परसों 2 दिन नहीं अटेंड कर पाओगे?
Yes, we three.
Okay, all of you.
मैं, मार्गी और नम्रता.
अर्ली मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो थोड़ा भी नहीं अटेंड कर पाओगे आप?
नहीं वहीं पे वो सब वो पूजा वगैरह सुबह में 8 बजे. हाँ, और परसों शादी है.
तो दिन में सुन पाओगे?
हाँ, during the day we will manage.
हाँ, और कर लेंगे.
हाँ प्लीज, बिकॉज ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू आर देयर, तो एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करके यू ऑल कैन हियर, बिकॉज नाउ द
और अभी
चैप्टर्स
तो जब भी मिलते हैं तो यही बात होती है.
lovely. So agar if you want, if you have received any magical cues and if you want to share it, you can share it on the group also ki I got this cue, this cue, this cue. You can write it on our Telegram group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, or you can record, voice record and send. Okay.
Okay. Now can I leave, Vandana ji?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for.
Have a good day, all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So are we ready to end the session today?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much for being a part of today's session and
Thank you.
receive all magical cues and be open for receiving all the cues in your day to day. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.